Hey Bells, thanks for tuning in. This is your girl iluvMelissaDanielle. I'm coming to you with a highly requested video. Everybody's asking me about this hair. What hair am I wearing? Where is it from? Here we go, you guys. So this wig is from Yolova Hair, if I'm saying that right. It's on the screen for you guys here. They did give you guys a discount code. The discount code is my name, Melissa, all lowercase letters, and you will save 15% on your purchase. So the wig came with eyelashes. I don't really care for them because they're thin. It came with some tweezers and some wig caps. So guys, I'm going to install my wig. I have my wig here. I ordered the loose wave wig. Correction, that is a loose deep wave wig. Went ahead and co-washed it before installation. So this is like freshly washed. I just ran my fingers through it just a tiny bit, but I'm going to do that more once I get it installed. I'm going to put all the specs here on the screen and down below in the description bar. This is a lace front wig. So as you guys can see, it has a lace in the front. It has a lot of lace, you guys. Like, this is like a 13x6. And then it has lace at the nape back here. It has combed and adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, like back here, this is all wefting. So it's just a lace front with wefting in the back. So this is what she looks like. So I'm going to put some powder on her because as you guys can see, the lace is really white. I don't want to say it's white. It's like a light brown. And that's just not going to work with my skin. So I'm going to put some powder on her to match my skin tone like I did with my cap here. And oh my God, like this is like the second or third time I've attempted this whole bald cap method. It be looking so good until I get to cutting it. When I get to cutting it, it starts sliding back. I gotta pull it forward and try to fix it. It is just, I don't know how you guys do it. It's just too much for me. Like normally I just put my wig cap on and go. So I don't know. I'm trying to get into this method, but I'm not here for it. I'm gonna be using my Bold Hold products. So I'm gonna put on my Bold Hold skin protectant first, like 2 or 3 layers of this. So I use alcohol to clean my head first, and then we'll go into the skin protectant and then the glue. And I'm gonna be using my Bold Hold Extreme Cream. I'm gonna put about probably 3 coats of this one. So I put a thin layer on, let it dry clear, and then put another layer on. Always doing thin coats, let it dry clear, put another layer on, let it dry clear. So I'm gonna do this, like I'm gonna speed it up because like the video will be way too long. It takes like 10-15 minutes to do this. It dries pretty quickly, but it's a process. So I'm gonna speed up the video. I just wanted to let you guys know in advance what I'm doing. So let's get started. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave my scarf on while I finish my makeup. That way my wig has time to really get into the glue and hopefully melt in. And then I'll come back and style her once we get done. And then what I'm going to do right now, because I still have all this lace up here, that's where the main focus is at. But so that I can do my makeup, I'm going to cut off all this excess right here so that way it's not in the way. Okay, I'll be back, guys. That transformation was incredible, wasn't it, you guys? I know. So let's see what this lace is looking like. Okay, it's still pretty bright, but we're going to try to fix that later on in this video. Right now, I'm using a eyebrow razor to cut off the excess lace in the front of my wig. So I'm going to cut off the excess lace over top of my ears. I don't know about you guys, but I always have the hardest time getting these ear tabs to stay on. It drives me absolutely insane. I think next time I do a wig, I'm going to cut off the ear tab completely and just have it like a semi-lace front. So I'm going to use some of this blasting free spray to help blend the lace in a little bit better with my scalp. This will also help if you have any pieces of lace that did not stick down that first round. Honey, this is going to make them lay down flat. So I'm going back in with my contour palette to help blend this lace in. Like, I really do wish this lace was brown. It would make all this so much easier and less work. I think next time I apply this wig, I'm going to tint the lace first because this is just a lot of work trying to get it to blend. So I saw a picture of SZA and this hairstyle she posted. She posted it last night. I'm going to try to recreate that look. Yeah, we're going to see. I'm going to try to recreate that. So let me get into this. Now, I didn't see sideburns on SZA, but I like to have sideburns because it helps my ear tab stay down a little bit longer. So I'm just sectioning out a little piece of hair on the side by my ear, and I'm going to cut that shorter and just gel it down. I prefer to use mousse, like for the look, but for the hold, I prefer to use gel. So it's definitely all up to you. If you don't need the extra hold, then use some mousse. Gel makes it look way down and sort of shiny, and mousse doesn't do that. So that's why I prefer the mousse. But it's totally up to you guys. I'm just using my edge comb. I'm just swooping this hair back, making it look sort of cute, you know. So when I was looking at her hair is a little bit more wilder. Like she combed it out a little bit, it looks like. I think her hair pattern is a little bit different too, but we're going to work with what we got. But I'm going to comb through my hair a little bit with a wide tooth comb to get it to be a little bit more bigger and bushier. And then later on, I'll go back in and spray it to get the curls more defined as I want them to be. But right now, I want to get height and fullness. So I'm going to comb through it with this wide tooth comb. So next I'm going to work on getting the top of my hair slicked down. I'm just using some water to get the hair thinned out and lay it down flat because the water will weigh the hair down a little bit. Now guys, this is where I messed up. I think you should use either gel or like the free spray. I put mousse on there, totally forgetting that this is curl mousse that's going to make the hair look a little bit more wavier. And I'm trying to get it to lay flat. I shouldn't have did that. I think you should use either some gel or that Pump It Up Shine spray, and then like put a satin scarf on and let it dry down. I believe that's what she did. Don't quote me on that. But this is my first time doing this look. I just like all of a sudden, like overnight, saw this picture and wanted to do it. So yeah, but my error in my learning is your guys' experience and education, or however you want to say that. But anyways, like I was saying, either use gel for this part or use like that Pump It Up freeze spray, and baby, you're gonna be golden. You're gonna be golden. Okay, so right now I want to, like I said, get a little bit more definition back into my hair, but I still want to keep the volume. So I'm just going to mist a little bit of water on it to help get those curls back together again, but not too much back together, just a little bit. And then I just spray myself in the face with water on my makeup, Oh, and guys, let's address the elephant in the room. Like when I was filming with my studio lights, I could not tell my forehead was not blended in, because like you guys know I had the scarf on in the beginning. Like with the studio lights on and in person, I could not see this. But then when I got done filming and I was putting my clothes on, I looked in the mirror, I was like, oh my God, my forehead, what in the world? So I did go in and fix that, and you'll see that at the end of the video. But honey boo boo child, I had no idea my forehead was looking like this. And I know the color looks off because I just put all that contour powder on my forehead and I got this summer tan going on. But baby, it's going to look good in the end, so be patient with me. Anyways, right now I'm putting a hump in the top of my head, because if you look at her picture, she has really big volume in the front, like she curled it, and she has these two humps in the front. I'm trying to recreate that. So I'm just using my curling wand to do this. And I'm going to, of course, break up those curls. I'm just doing 2 in the front, like no major. If you want to, you can definitely go around your hair with this curling wand and create more defined curls. I'm not about to do that, and then my hair gets wrapped around the curling wand. It's okay. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. We're going to be finger combing this anyways. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I want some extra shine to my hair. I'm using the Color Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray. You guys know I love this stuff. It's so lightweight, but it gives your hair a shine, and it looks so freaking beautiful in the sunshine. But yeah, I'm putting this on my hair to make my hair look more shiny. And this is also going to help with those curls, make them look more shiny, and of course keep your hair moisturized. So at this point, I am satisfied with how it looks. I think it's very, very pretty. I do wish the lace was darker. That's my only complaint with this hair. Otherwise, it's absolutely gorgeous. And guys, I'm doing this voiceover like a week later. I've been wearing this hair all week. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. It's lightweight and it's soft. As you guys can see, it moves. You can definitely get the hair more defined if you want to, like a wet and wavy look. I'll show you guys a picture of what I did for my wet and wavy look. But it's all up to you. I think this hair is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Why not get it? Why not? So I'm going to link it down below in the description bar. I'll put my discount code down there as well as on the screen here. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.